Welcome back to America Tech. We are starting a brand new series for getting started with Power BI. In episode 1, we'll explore what Power BI is and why it matters for your business. Whether you're an analyst, manager, or small business owner, Power BI helps turn raw data into actionable insights. Power BI is a business intelligence visualization tool from Microsoft that helps you connect data from multiple sources, visualize insights through dashboards and reports, share actionable intelligence across your organization. At its core, Power BI lets us create rich dashboards with data elements from various sources. This could include KPIs, charts, tables, graphs, and even AI-powered forecasts. Power BI matters because it simplifies complex data for faster decisions, provides interactive dashboards instead of static reports, helps teams spot trends, patterns, and opportunities quickly, reduces manual effort and errors in reporting. Here is a real-world use case. Imagine a retail company. Sales, inventory, and marketing data come together in Power BI. Dashboards highlight which products are selling best. Managers make informed decisions without combing through spreadsheets. To recap, Power BI connects, visualizes, and shares data. It helps teams make smarter, faster decisions. It turns raw numbers into actionable insights. That's it for episode 1 of our brief introduction to Power BI. In episode 2, we'll explore from Excel to Power BI, when spreadsheets aren't enough and why upgrading matters. If this video helped you understand why Power BI matters, leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Have questions about starting with Power BI? Drop them in the comments. We might feature them in a future episode. Thanks for watching. See you next week.